welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing very well. In today's video, I'm going to talk about 5 or so fashion hacks that I hope will help elevate and upgrade your style, your wardrobe, your outfits. So I'm very excited about this video. Let's get right to it. Just wanted to let you guys know that it's been one of those really weird, crazy Mondays where anything and everything I do to try to make myself feel better and not feel crazy is not working. I feel like I look so crazy. It's just not working. But we are going to move on. So the first fashion hack is all about cropping your tops, your sweaters, what have you, anything that is long that you want cropped. So the way that I would easily do this is by taking the bottom of your shirt or the bottom of your sweatshirt or sweater or whatever and just tuck it under your bra. Now sometimes you can have a lot of leftovers, especially when it comes to the back side. So what I like to do for the back is I like to twist it and then just tuck one portion in there. That way it just is like a little bit easier to tuck in because you can't really see the back. Sometimes if you have too much material with your tops, your bra might not have enough room for all of it to be tucked in. So this just allows you to kind of recreate different outfits and also to maximize your tops in your closet. And I think it's a really great hack. I feel like it stays put really well, and so hopefully you guys can try it and hope you guys love it too. All right, the second hack, I'm actually using it right now, and it has to do with any pair of pants, denim or just normal fancier pants that is too big on you. All you have to do is take the button and put it under the closest belt loop, and then take the buttonhole and then button it like you normally would. And there you go, you already have about an inch or so of a tighter pant. Your pants, if they're loose, will definitely fit better. I like this hack a lot just because sometimes it could make your jeans kind of look like they purposely are supposed to look that way, but if you want to cover them up, you can definitely, throw a belt over the belt loops to cover that part up, or you can also just use a longer top. So that's a really fun and easy one. I have a ton of jeans, ton of denim where, sometimes my weight will fluctuate, and sometimes I just want the waistband to look tighter, kind of give it that little pinch waist look, which I actually really love. Sizing with some of the things that you buy from different places can be so off, but then you just really want to keep it because you love that item so much. And hopefully this is a really easy way to help you fit in your jeans better. All right, hack number 3, the other way to make your jeans or your pants fit better is to use a shoelace. So just take any pair of shoelaces, doesn't matter what it is, and put the shoelace through the back 3 belt loops of your pants, and then just tighten it up and tie. So this is a great way, if you're not liking the previous hack that I mentioned, to kind of hide it in the back. And then from there, I would definitely throw on some type of jacket, maybe a blazer or a leather jacket, just to cover that part up. You could also throw a belt over that part if you wanted to. But again, this is another really good way to kind of hem or alter the waistbands of your pants. All right, next up, I know we all have a bunch of dresses that probably are a little too loose for our liking. Maybe if you're petite like me, you have a lot of issues with a lot of websites not making size extra small, but you just, you want to be able to wear dresses that are out there. I have a ton of dresses where there's just little things here and there that I would get altered, although we are in quarantine, so I don't think any tailor is open right now. But a way to make your dresses fit better is to take a hair tie and just to kind of grab the back of your dress and just tie a hair tie around it. You may have a slight bulge depending on how tight you want your dress to be. But then again, I would just throw a jacket, some type of blazer or something cute over that dress and make that your outfit. So bunching your dress up and tying it in the back with a hair tie will not only tighten your dress to make it look like it fits you a little bit better, but it'll also shorten it a little bit too. You might end up getting some bunching or what would look like ruching in the front part of your dress. I don't personally mind that. I feel like nowadays there are a lot of dresses that have draping or ruching, so you can kind of get away with it, but you may also not like this hack if you just want a smooth and seamless front. All right, last but not least, hack number 5 is a really cute and simple way on how to knot your shirts. So I have a full video on how to tuck and tie your shirts, so you guys can check that out, but this hack is actually not in that video. It's something that I think I learned from TikTok actually, but it's really, really cool. Basically, you just kind of cross your arms together like this, and then grab both ends of the shirt, and then overlap the shirts together to create a knot. Hopefully you guys are able to follow what I'm saying when I show it to you in the video, but it kind of just creates like a little twist front top or t-shirt, which makes it really, really cool. It kind of looks like that's the way you bought this shirt. And again, it's another way to crop your tops. Alright you guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and found it useful. If you did, give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget before you leave to subscribe. All you have to do is hit the red subscribe button down below. Again, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.